What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Roro, and I'm back with another video. So guys, this is basically day 2 having a new puppy. Him and Rumi was playing like crazy earlier. I was like, damn, I should have catch this in the video, but for right now, I don't know. I guess they don't want to play no more. But they was playing like crazy, guys. But this is day 2 with the new puppy, Rumi, and him getting along well. The only problem I have with him so far, if nobody's not outside, he don't want to be outside. I'm like, yo, that's gonna change like ASAP, like real fast. He's gonna learn quick. He's gonna learn very fast. I know he's a puppy and he's trying to get used to the area and used to the place, but I don't want him to be getting used to, oh, if nobody's outside, I don't want to be outside. Roxanne was like, no, I don't want him to be like Rumi, or because he's not an outside dog, you don't want to be outside unless nobody else is outside. You don't want to be out there. I'm like, nah, that's gonna change really, 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 really fast. But yeah, they chill right now. I don't know what's going on. I want to catch like a little piece when him and Rumi running up and down playing. But for now, he's just chilling. I think he wanna use the bathroom. Yep. He's using the bathroom. Rumi, come. Come, Rumi. But yeah, guys, that's about it. The two of them getting along very well, even though Rumi's a little bit rough. And he's supposed to be rough because he's a male dog, but you know, he's a puppy still, so he's learning. And whenever he hear like other dog bark, this dude run from here and go all the way over there on the deck. So, and because he's so small, guys, because he's so, watch, look, you see, you hear a dog barking, so he's running. And because he's so small, whenever I lock the gate, because I don't want him to come by the door and jump on the door, when he jump on the door, that shit is annoying. But I told myself this deck is gonna paint probably before the ending of this month, because he might gonna learn really, really fast. Say he might gonna stay outside by himself. Okay, Rumi, you gotta play nice. So yeah, guys, I'm about to paint that, and I'm gonna mesh it around, so whenever I lock him outside, him just stay outside. If he want to cry, I'm back. In cry, I'm back. Okay, guys, I was just giving you a little update. This is day 2 with the new puppy. Stop, man. Can't even catch him in a video good because him just the only people backside. Go play, man, and leave me alone. Backside. Now, because you're supposed to be my dog, you just want to stuck with every chore. But guys, I'm about to end the video because him not leave me alone now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Rumi, Rocky. Get him, Rumi. Get him. Get him, Rumi. Get him. Get him, Rumi. 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 Get him.
I'll bite your foot back.
Get him, Rumi.
Rumi.
Me never say follow me, no.
I'm gonna get your foot back.